Hello friends, welcome back to my channel review. So today I am going to review Dorothy Perkins Heels. So let's get started with the video. So I bought these heels from Flipkart. This is how the product I have received in paperback packaging. The delivery span of this product is 7 days, which is quite good. Original price of this product is 2990 rupees. I got this product at rupees 598 only. So I will just remove this paperback packaging and will show you. I have opened this already. So this is the condition of the box, which is very bad. You can see the box is totally damaged. I have received this product first time in this condition from Flipkart. Thank God they have a return policy of 30 days. The sizes are available from 3 to 8 UK size. The color of the heels are grey in color. I have ordered the pumps block heels. This is how it was packed. Nothing separator or any other thing was there. So you can see the heels. Even if it is having a fox sewed texture, as I know, a fox sewed footwear has a double tone texture, which I totally agree, but whatever I have received, this footwear has having a sort of a whitish layer which seems to be old or used ones. The size of the heels are way too big as compared to the chart they have mentioned. This is the branding of the heels. This pumps has padding at the sole. Heel height is 3 inches. These are having a elastic at the back. So yeah, coming to the main point of the video, that is the pros and cons of this product. Talking about the pros, first point about the delivery. The Flipkart is very good at its delivery and I got this product in 7 days. So that's a plus point. Second point, that is the price. I got this product on a very huge discount, that is around 598 rupees only. It's approximately 600. So I got this product on a huge discount. That's the only plus point I could say. So coming to the cons, there are so many cons. So first point about the packaging. The packaging was disgusting from the vendor and I am really disappointed about the packaging. The whole heels box was totally damaged. Even the heels were not wrapped in any paper or there was no separator. Nothing efforts were taken to pack this product. Second point about the size what they have mentioned on the website and the size which is arrived is totally different and this is way too large than what they have mentioned. Third point, I have received the product. I could see it may be a display product or clearance product, which is not good at all. So my final conclusion is I won't recommend this product to any of you. So yeah, that's it for the today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get the notifications whenever I upload a new video. Hope you like my content, then please press the grey thumb blue. Till then, take care all of you. Bye bye.